Where to get help for alcohol abuse. If you've been abusing alcohol, you'll probably find it difficult on how to control your drinking. You'll need some help to reduce and/or stop alcohol abuse completely, as well as some strategies to keep your progress going after that. There are alcohol support services available in your area. You can also inquire about any free local support groups or other alcohol counseling that may be of interest to you. Obtaining the proper assistance can be critical to maintaining control in the future. Often, relying solely on family, friends, or caregivers is insufficient. Most people in the community receive help to quit drinking and recovery support. Some people get assistance requiring intensive rehabilitation and recovery support for a period of time after they stop drinking completely, either through participation in a community-based intensive support program or through residential rehabilitation services. Don't be afraid to ask for assistance. Help is never far away. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Accidental drug overdoses are the #1 cause for unnatural deaths. Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.